Hey folks, Patrick here with A1 Vacuum and Sewing in Reno, Nevada with our January 2020 update on the store. Happy New Year. And if we haven't seen you yet this year, come in and see us. We'd love to see you. Handful of things to update you guys on. Service has been incredibly busy. But we have remained about a week out on sewing service, about 3 to 4 days out on vacuums. As always, rush fees are available. I've got all three guys working as hard as they can, basically all day, every day, to maintain that pace. But that is where we are on service right now. Classes have filled up incredibly quickly. So we do have a number of classes that are still available. Folks are calling. We've got classes listed here on the store. And just very, very quickly to run through the easiest way to see our classes. If you go to our website and you click on classes here and you hit calendar, that is going to pull up our class calendar. They are all listed there. So you're going to hit calendar, it's going to pull it up, and then you're going to be able to see pictures of what classes are there and available. If they are full, there will be a line through it. If not, you'll be able to click on it, get into the class, see the price, etc. But that may very well, for many of you, be the easiest way to get into the website and see where our classes are, especially if you're trying to do that in combination with your calendar. Couple special deals to announce. I've done a very special purchase of some training machines, Baby Lock Aria, Baby Lock Crescendo. I bought the machines that were used at Tacony Achievement Center. They were used for about 4 months to train new dealers on how to use and sell the machines. Very lightly used machines, excellent price. So if you've ever had an interest in a top of the line sewing only machine, these are going to be priced to go. So we're talking Arias for with trades for around 2,400. We're talking Crescendos with trades for about 3,200. Fantastic pricing on those. They're sold as new, but like I said, lightly used at Tacony Achievement Center. I also did a very special purchase of the Acclaim. So over the years, we've fallen in love with the Acclaim and the Triumph. We love their power, we love their lighting, we love their additional space. And so I did a special purchase of those, a bulk purchase, got incredible pricing. Anybody looking to upgrade to get that bigger space or greater power from like an Eclipse or an Imagine, I can give you over 2,000 in trade-in value for those to get you into the machine. But we are going to price these machines to go at 2,500, which is basically about 2,000 below MSRP. On the vacuum side, I've done a buyout. Last remaining 20 series vacuums from Riccar. Incredible value, very long lasting product. And we basically can get these to you at a great price. And then we found the Sevo Automatic X7 to be an incredible buy for our pet owners. So I've got a truly competitive vacuum to the Riccar that may be a slightly better price point and a little easier for some households to manage. So come on in and get those demoed today. We're at 7007 South Virginia Street. Between Longley and Neal, just south of the Magic Carpet Miniature Golf, or give us a shout at the store at 775-852-2323. Thanks so much, and we hope to see you soon.